In this video, I'll guide you through how to run a three-way reconciliation in Clio Manage. This process is crucial for ensuring your financial records are accurate and in sync across your various accounts. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. Start by heading over to the left navigation menu in Clio Manage. This is where you'll find everything you need to start your reconciliation process. Click on Reports, which is your gateway to a variety of financial insights within Clio. From the list of reports, select the Trust Ledger Report. This report is essential because it will serve as your master trust control account balance, providing a comprehensive overview of your trust accounts. Now, it's important to set the date filter to match the exact closing cutoff date of your bank statement. This step is crucial because it ensures that the data you're examining aligns perfectly with your financial institution's records. Once you've set the correct date, go ahead and generate the report. By doing this, you'll have an accurate reflection of your master trust control account balance as of the statement's closing date. With the Trust Ledger Report in hand, your next move is to navigate back to the Reports section. This time, you'll want to select the Trust Listing Report. Just like before, you need to set the cutoff date filter to match the date you used earlier for the Trust Ledger Report. Consistency in your date parameters is key to ensuring that all your reports are synchronized and that they reflect the same period. After you've set the same cutoff date, go ahead and run the Trust Listing Report. This report is slightly different because it provides a detailed breakdown of every individual client matter. You'll see each client's respective escrow holdings, giving you a granular look at how funds are allocated across your clients. By following these steps meticulously, you'll be able to perform a three-way reconciliation, comparing your internal records with both your bank statement and client listings. This process is essential in maintaining the integrity of your trust accounts, ensuring that all transactions are accounted for and that there are no discrepancies. Remember, performing regular reconciliations helps you catch any potential errors early, preventing them from escalating into larger issues down the line. It also provides peace of mind, knowing that your financial records are accurate and compliant with any legal requirements. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. By sticking to these steps each time you reconcile, you'll be able to manage your trust accounts effectively and confidently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to revisit this video or reach out for additional support. Thank you for watching and happy reconciling.